Keep fighting. Keep praying and keep believing. Your breakthrough is coming. And remember, you are designed to win. Alam niyo yung habang ginagawa ka ni Lord, ang nasa isip ni Lord, this woman, this man will be victorious. This woman, this man will be an overcomer. It is the plan of God for you. You are a winner. Kaya sabihin mo, I will win. Victory is not about having all the answers. Winning is about trusting God. Stay focused on God. Stay focused on His Word and never quit. I will walk in faith. I trust God with every step. Every step. Amen. Process 1. Step 1, trust God. Step 2, ginagawa mo yung dapat gawin. May kasamang trusting God. Step 3, ginagawa mo ulit. Trust God. Na habang dinadaanan mo every step of the way, going to the final destination, going to the solution, every step, I trust God. Every step, I trust God. Every step, I trust God until finally you are there. And ignore the negative. Do not listen to doubts and never give up. Keep pressing forward.